I would never change this place for anything else. This is cascadas. Las cascadas maravillosas, mami. Que tenemos años y años y años aquí.
Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? I wanna know, wanna know, wanna know now. I got to know, got to know, got to know now. I'm willing and able. So I throw my cards on your table. I wanna love you. Yeah, 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 yeah. So okay, you're the big man enough. I wanna love you. I wanna love you. Love and treat you right. I wanna love you. Love and treat you right. I wanna love you. Every day and every night we'll be together. With the roof right over our heads, we'll share the shelter. Yeah. Oh yeah. All my single days, we'll share the same room. Yeah. Would I provide a break? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Whoa. Oh yes I know, yes I know, yes I know now. Oh yes I know, yes I know, yes I know now. I'm willing and able. Throw my cards on your table.
It's a rainy day today in Tamasopo. It's already starting to rain. It's already starting to rain. Hey, Mr. Postman. We haven't really been doing much today because it's just been raining, and when it rains, the rivers and all of that stuff, the rivers and the waterfalls get flooded, they overflow, so we can't go in. So we don't have nothing to do, just chill at the town. We've been doing laundry because we don't have any more underwears. Enjoying a nice rainy day. Probably gonna go to the paleteria in a minute and get some paletas, or if it stops raining. But yeah, that's what we've been doing. We've just been chilling. Sometimes we don't vlog because we just want to enjoy ourselves, and it gets a little annoying vlogging every time because sometimes people just look at you vlogging, and I don't really care about it, but sometimes it just gets annoying, like taking the phone out and vlogging. So I'll just rather enjoy myself and vlog later.
I must a little tree like.
But we've been here at Grandma's house all day. Yeah, I'm just squat.
Hold up.
Oh, ¡Qué chulada! ¡Uy! ¡Uy!
To the plaza like this.
Dale, para que te agarren el pajarito.